Okay. What's next, people? Oh, we're up to the unofficial ones. So that is all 10 of the official Interface 2 ROM cartridges. Space Raiders, Chess, Planetoids, Hungry Horace, Horace and the Spiders, Jetpack, Pust, Transam, and Cookie. That's pretty fair. Yeah. We've got a couple of unofficial ones on. Hey, you. Cool. We've got a couple of unofficial ones on, which I haven't explored properly yet. So we'll spend a couple of minutes playing with this. So this is Mag the Magician. This is one that came on from the with the Flash cartridge. See if I can find some details on it. There we go. In the village of Tellerin, the wise rule. The wise can do magic, and only they have the recognition. But Mag is not a wise man, and they will not let him be unless he recovers the 5 pages of the Great Book of Spells. They were, yes. So Mag the Magician and Dead Space were released as individual cartridges in 2017 and 2018 in Spain. Were they also released as tape games? Or just as cartridge format? 2 pages are kept by the wise, 2 were stolen by orcs, and 1 was lost. 2 pages kept by the wise, 2 stolen by orcs, 1 was lost. Recover the pages, and you can be a wise person in the eyes of the elderly. Beware of the pages in the hands of the orcs. One of them has the same Orc King in person. QAOP. Yes! There are larger versions on cassette. Fair enough. Yeah, I can see there's a tape format for the game. There's a different looking version for... It's interesting. Download for the Enterprise 128. Yep. Download for the ZX Uno. The ZX Uno one looks like a Pico. And an MSX version, which looks really quite nice. So QAOP, right. We are... Recover the pages. So Hunty Hunty, yeah? Ah. That feels like we just did a thing. Recover the 5 pages. 2 are kept by the wise, 2 were stolen by orcs. Whoops-a-daisy. Okay, and 1 was lost. I mean, that's a very nice house you have here. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh. Well, you get a few goes. And there are keys. I see keys. So there's my first page. I can go up or left. Whoops. There's a key. The tree. Those are trees. Whoops. Okay. Ooh, open house. You can't talk to people. Oh, but another page right there. 2. Do you know where the keys are? Mr. Wiseman? Hello. It's very pretty and makes excellent use of the... I mean... There's a lot of modern games that do ridiculously good work with the limited palette. This is one of them. I mean, it looks fantastic. So going left is not helpful to me. That's tight. Can you get up there? No. What's to my right? Is that the house I started in? It is. Oh. Well, okay. I got, what, 3 pieces? Whoops-a-daisy. Orcs. Fair amount of timing. Whoops. No. Okay. That's Mag the Magician.